Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use rotate. First, we can select the toolbar icon here for rotate. And then we select the object you want to rotate and then specify the base point. Okay, now the angle of rotation depends on you. If you want to make it 30 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, it's really up to you. Okay, in this case, if you want to use a 30-degree rotation, you can just type 30. This one, if you want to rotate this 90-degree angle, all you have to do is to, instead of clicking the toolbar icon, I can type RO for rotate, shortcut for rotate, and then select this, enter. If this is my base point, now I can rotate 90 degrees. I can just type 90, enter. This one, if you want to rotate 45 degrees, it's the same thing. RO, enter. Click this one, enter. Say this is your angle of rotation or base point. If you want a 45-degree angle, just type 45, enter. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.